guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, the time is here coming up in less than 2 weeks to where myself, my family, my SUV, and of course my 335i will be moving into our new home. We've been building this new house ever since the first of the year. I showed a brief little walkthrough as far as that. Here are a few updated pictures so that way you guys can definitely take a look. Since I've been at this temporary location for 8 months, obviously I've been very limited with my DIYs as far as garage space goes and all that, but as you can see, my new garage is going to be just that much better. More DIYs, more different things as far as the garage goes for the BMW, adding that additional space because guess what guys, bringing on a new BMW onto the channel. And just a little sneak peek, it will be an N55 powered car. It's still going to be keeping the 335i, so we have the N54 and the whole N55 battle back and forth. And then of course some additional stuff, so you'll have some N55 DIYs that you can relate to if you have that car and not an N54. There's some stuff that's very similar, but there's other things that are definitely different. So I'll be bringing that to you guys. That'll be the future plans and next steps and all that kind of stuff. That's going to be coming down the road. So that's something cool wanted to share with you as far as that. I have been tossing around the whole N63 and 63 TU, you know, the 550, but as far as the audience goes on this channel and what it could relate to as far as engine wise, the N55 technically was the better choice as it relates to that. But like I said, still keeping the 335i, so that one's not going anywhere at all. Definitely going to be doing a lift system in the garage so that way I can accommodate the space, show those better DIYs as far as more intensive things that I'm going to be doing. So lots and lots and lots of cool stuff planned that are going to be coming here on the channel once I move in here in less than 2 weeks. Well guys, that does it for today. Looking forward to being in that new space, all those new videos to come, so that way I can share it off to you guys so you can save that money, put it back in your pocket. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below. Great things to come.